The strike by MBBS students of Rohtak PGIMS has entered the fourth day today. The students of PGIMS Rohtak and other government medical colleges across Haryana have been protesting against the imposition of bond fees by the state government. Let us see what the students have to say. What do you have to say, beta?
Sir, we have just only one demand that roll back this bond policy, because this is a baseless policy applied by government on the MBBS students, and we just want one thing, that roll back this bond policy, revert back it complete.
But the government has already stated that the students will not be made to pay the fees at the time of admission. Then what issue remains?
Sir, the issue is that when we have to pay 40 lakhs, and the thing is that a middle class family can't pay 40 lakhs. We all are here in a government medical college after passing out a competitive exam. We are not here to pay the 40 lakh fees. So just a baseless policy, and we want it to revert back completely.
Okay. What do you have to say about the agitation, beta?
Sir, regarding the decisions of the government that the students have not to pay the 10 lakhs at the time of admission, it has not been clear that the payment of rupees 40 lakhs is abolished. We have to pay the 40 lakh payment during our course. If it is not during the time of admission, it can be after 4 months or before getting our degree. The payment of 40 lakhs at any time during our course is unjust. We are not here to pay 40 lakhs. Our parents, we are here because of our merits. Our parents cannot pay rupees 40 lakhs. This policy of payment of 40 lakhs for the entry of students in a medical college crushes the dreams of the middle class families regarding the entry or studying in a government medical college.
Okay. And where is the agitation going on right now?
Agitation
Apart from Rohtak?
Agitation is going on in all the government medical colleges of Haryana. Students from all the government medical colleges are united, and
Which places?
in Karnal, in SHKM, Mewat, and in Sonipat, BPS Khanpur.
Okay.
And we all are united together and we all want that this bond policy should be reverted back completely.
This is the only demand, or do you have some other demands as well?
So we have only one demand. We want complete revert back of the bond policy, complete rollback of the bond policy.
Until when will the